Welcome to our channel. In this video, we will see foods for healthy weight loss. For more information about weight loss, please click the link in the description. To achieve a significant and healthy reduction in our body weight, certain foods provide nutrients that are highly beneficial to our body. To lose weight, it is not necessary to follow expensive treatments. Nature rewards us with many foods that can help us reach our goal without much effort. Healthy weight loss can be easy with the tips we detail in this video. All calories are not the same. Until recently, many nutritionists thought they were all similar. And since fat is the type of nutrient that provides our body the most energy, it should be the first to be reduced when we want to lose pounds. Here is the energy balance hypothesis: we gain weight because we eat more than what we burn. A formula which, for decades, was the only one to explain obesity. However, this is a limited and erroneous concept. 10 foods for healthy weight loss. It is difficult to make a selection of the best foods for weight loss. While there are many that are not recommended, some have also been proven to work. Nevertheless, these foods are approved by institutions, scientists, and a large number of people who have consumed them for the purpose of healthy weight loss. 1. Avocado. Avocados are high in healthy fats and are great as an ingredient in salads. They are particularly high in monounsaturated oleic acid, the same type of fat found in olive oil. Besides, they also contain a lot of water, so their energy density is not that high. They are rich in other important nutrients like fiber and potassium. But that's not all. According to a study, people who consume avocados feel fuller and have less desire to eat within 5 hours. 2. Eggs. Like fats, eggs are enjoying a second youth thanks to new studies that certify that they do not contribute to elevated cholesterol levels or the risk of cardiovascular disease. But in addition, eggs are an ideal food if we want to lose weight because they are rich in protein and healthy fats. This allows us to be full of relatively low calorie intake. 3. Fruits for healthy weight loss. Although they contain sugar, fruits are essential in the diet. Indeed, they play the impeccable role of dessert for people who are unable to not finish their meal with a sweet flavor in their mouth. In addition, their calorie-satiety ratio is perfect. Numerous epidemiological studies also find that people who eat a lot of fruits and vegetables are healthier than those who eat a little. Remember that these foods are rich in vitamins and minerals that are essential for the body. 4. Legumes. Legumes are plants rich in protein and fiber. They nourish a lot and make you little fat. The healthiest are lentils and pinto beans, higher in fiber. There is no reason to avoid chickpeas. The problem with pulses is that we tend to cook them with a lot of fat. 5. Chicken and lean beef. Meat has been unfairly demonized when in reality lower fat cuts are great for weight loss. Obviously, you have to put aside processed meats such as cold cuts or sausages. On the other hand, chicken and beef are necessary for any diet. Indeed, they allow us to be full. Various studies show that increasing protein intake by around 25% can reduce our food cravings by 60%. By avoiding snacking between meals. 6. Cruciferous vegetables for healthy weight loss. Like other vegetables, cruciferous vegetables are high in fiber and tend to satisfy your appetite incredibly. In addition, this type of vegetable also contains considerable amounts of protein. Thanks to their combination of fiber, protein, and low energy density, cruciferous vegetables are the perfect foods for trying to lose weight. 7. Salmon, essential food for healthy weight loss. Salmon is rich in healthy fats, high-quality protein, and contains a high amount of essential nutrients. It is a food that satisfies the appetite and keeps you full for long hours with minimal calories. It can, therefore, help to lose weight. Moreover, this fish is also rich in omega-3 fatty acids, which help to improve the lipid profile in the blood. An important factor for obesity and metabolic diseases. 8. Yogurt and cottage cheese. For a long time, people who wanted to lose weight were advised to reduce the intake of dairy products because of their fat content. However, apart from the fact that fat is not that bad, not all dairy products are the same. One of the best is cottage cheese. Indeed, it contains a lot of protein and few carbohydrates and fats. Again, this is a very satiating and low-fat food. However, we must not go overboard. Because conventional yogurt, although high in fat, nourishes so much that it can replace a dish. So, we have to avoid sweet and flavored yogurts because they always contain too much sugar. 9. Soups. The more a food feeds us in proportion to its caloric intake, the better it is to lose weight. Therefore, the only one that does not make you fat is water. So, if we add water to our meals, we will fill ourselves up to more by consuming the same calories. And we will eat less for the rest of the day. This is what some studies claim. 10. Dried fruits, your allies for healthy weight loss. Although they contain many calories, dried fruits are the ideal snack since they contain protein, fiber, and healthy fats. Various epidemiological studies have reported that people who consumed it were healthier and slimmer than those who did not. However, it is a food that should be consumed in great moderation. A handful is enough. We hope these recommendations help and encourage you to diet for healthy weight loss. In case of any doubt, do not hesitate to consult a nutritionist to guide you in this process. Thank you for watching. You can watch more videos by clicking the links in the description. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends.